Evening. What are we doing tonight? Well, first things first, I'm gonna have a brew. You know how I like my brews. Right, I'm gonna have a brew first. Then I'm gonna set up a bit of big Q, retractable grill, great bit of kit. Probably seen me use this before. What we cooking tonight. Oh, I've got some cutlery as well. Right, tonight. Oh, wait to see these bad boys. Right, I'll eat them a wee bit. Right, but it's smoked sausage, onion, peppers, chillies, garlic, honey, soy sauce, sesame, oil. There's a multitude of things in this. Made a nice marinade. That's been soaked overnight. So we'll get them out. Once we get the fire going, we'll get them out, get them on the big Q grill, and you'll see the finished article. But oh, these are going to taste good. Cannot wait. Right, they're coming along nicely. So what I'm going to do, take them out of the tin foil, pack them just to brown them off on the outside. They'll be good to go. Oh yeah. Well folks, I'd say we're good to go. Oh, look at them. Very nice. Well, I don't know what it is. That looks good to me. Oh yeah. Oh, they look tremendous. Taste test time. Let's see what these bad boys taste like. Oh, superb. Can't beat kebabs, can you? Or is it, what was it, Americans call them kebabs? But I must admit, very nice. Very easy to make as well. And that literally is. Onion, smoked sausage, garlic, a wee bit of chilli, some honey, some soy sauce and some sesame oil. I actually marinated these overnight, so all the flavours just dripping out of them. Playing a violin there. The only thing is, I've only made two. I don't know if that's enough for me. Just lucky I've got a bread, some chocolate. Keep me going. Right, anyway. I'll eat these, bring it back. Oh, they're quite spicy. Right. Oh, wee shout out to ESD mum. ESD mum and our kids and our man. thanks again. She kindly gave me some whispers when I was out the weekend. I bumped into them and Bugsy on the way home. So I scoffed 2 of them in a day. I kept one. So, yeah, Steve Mum, this one's for you. Cheers. The best of it. I've not had a wisp in ages. They melt in your mouth, don't they? That and a brew. What could you ask for? Right, comments below. Campfire recipes. What do you like eating when you're out? Or what do you think I should try and make next? I'm going to try and get that Dutch oven out a bit more. Must with that kind of roast chicken thing I had the other week. Oh, that was amazing. I love a brew. Right, that's me, fed, watered. Just another wee cooking video in the woods. We got a wee lie down in the hammock for a wee while. But if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you've not. Hit the bell for future notifications. We'll catch you in the next one. Adios.